Hi, my name is Paige, and on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, today we're talking about troubleshooting for your Mini DV Camcorder. You can see my website at www.porchproductions.net. Right now we're going to talk about troubleshooting if you can't get your camcorder to play its tape on your television. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your camcorder is turned to on and that it's not in the locked position. You want to make sure that your camcorder is set to it's set to VCR and not camera. You want to make sure that your tape is rewound all the way. You want to make sure that you're using an S-video cable to connect to your television, but unable to get sound, you really want to use an AC cord, and that you've connected yellow to yellow, white to white, red to red, and then on your television you've done the same thing, and that you've connected your yellow prong to your yellow prong, your white prong to your white prong, and your red prong to your red prong. You also want to make sure on your television that you have set it to its correct video output setting. Make sure it's on the right channel. Make sure that your volume is turned up. And that's the basic way to troubleshoot. You want to make sure that you've pushed play on your camcorder as well. If it's still not playing, I would suggest calling whomever you bought your camcorder for, if you bought it from a video store such as Best Buy Electronics Store, or you can look on the internet or use your Yellow Pages to find a service provider and someone who works on your specific type of camcorder. Call them, take it in. That's the basic way to troubleshoot if you're not getting your video to play on your television.